Prepare upgrade tool, drivers, and upgrade firmware. Decompress the upgrade tool and driver first. After the decompression is completed, we will first install the driver. Then open the upgrade tool. Click on Upgrade Firmware. Find the downloaded firmware. At this point, the upgrade tool will display no devices found. Connect the dual male USB cable to the USB port on the computer and the OG port on the motherboard respectively. Next, while holding down the reset button, connect the power supply without releasing the reset button. Be careful not to use metal objects to hold down the reset button to avoid causing short circuits. At this point, the upgrade tool will prompt found a loader device. Click on Advanced Features, erase all. After erasing, click on Enter Solcron. Then click on Upgrade Firmware Upgrade. Wait for the upgrade to complete.